Say hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Right, it is 7:15 in the evening, and the date is 16th of March. I think these were put on the 2nd of March, so it's been bang on 2 weeks. It's 10.9 Celsius, 84% humidity. I've had the fan on today and up here because it's been raining all day, so the humidity is really bad. But I made a video today about my polycarbonate sheets that I got. I asked the men for them when they were taking down the old bus shelter, and they said I could have them. And I found out they were like £500 for two, £250 a piece. So it's 10mm polycarbonate. So I will be trying to restore, get rid of some of the scratches off them, and installing them. So I should have some windows there, and there, which will let so much more light in, which will make my plants grow a lot better, and it should heat up during the day a lot quicker as well. Let the light in. Anyway, back to these. So these have had 2 weeks of potting on. I've let them grow, as you can see. What I'm going to be doing now is pinching them out. This will cause your plants to send out more side shoots from here, here and here. This one's still a little small, but it has got 1, 2, 3 lots, so I can pinch that out. I like to get 4 lots really. This one here is tiny. This won't be one of the dwarf ones I've grown, but I'll still pinch that out. I've still got 2 side shoots to send out some roots, some new buds. This one was pinched out by accident when it only had 2. You see there, when it only had 2 sets of shoots, so it was damaged there. But as you can see, it sent out another shoot there, so I'll pinch that out there. I don't know if you can see here, this, just try and get a close up here. It is, and buds are starting to fatten up there, just at the bottom. Get there, see that there, just at the bottom there. So that will send out some shoots from there, and these should be nice plants, these, this year. I've also got this, just giving it a water and a feed. This today I shall use these as cuttings. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. I should take all them 7 as cuttings. These are my I think pom-pom dahlias from Thompson and Morgan. These, don't worry about these will come along nicely. I've let this dry out a couple of times. That is why it's not grown as well as it should have done, but that's my fault. But I will be getting so many plants off these you would not believe. Probably have 30, 40 plants off 5 or 6 tubers. So I'll get this set up, folks. So what you need for this, you need a really sharp set of secateurs, or some new scissors that you've sharpened, or some people use like a surgical scalpel. You can use that as well. And all we need to do with these is get the growing tip here. You just see that. Just see that a little bit there better. Just see that there. Just bend the leaves back like so. And you can do this with your thumb or forefinger, or if you've got a set, nice sharp set in there, you can get these to close in there like so. And that's it. It's easy as that. What will happen with that then? Right, as you can see, these have been nipped out now. Nipped out there and there. Just get a bit of a close up. Just there. So I will get some nice new shoots now from. Just get that. You know, you can see there. There'll be some shoots from 1, 2, 3, 4 sections up there, right to the top. This one already was nipped out by accident when I took a cutting, but it doesn't matter. That will get some new shoots from there. 1, 2, 3, another 4 places up there. These are dwarf ones. I should have really let them go a little bit taller, but it'll bush out into a nice plant. So get some nice shoots from the 2 channels there, and also there. And this one here, this has got 3 shoots, 3 side shoots to be able to grow from. So all them 4 there are really nice cuttings. And you can see the roots here, really nice cuttings. They're all rooted really well. And I also have here these. I'm going to take some cuttings off. These are pom-pom dahlias. So I've got 1 shoot there, 1 shoot there, and that one hasn't grown yet. But this is my fault. I let this tray dry out a few times, and this corner didn't dry out as much as the rest. That's why this one's grown really well. I always give them a feed before I'm going to take any cuttings, just to bolster them up a little bit. And I can take 7 from this one, and then I will be able to get another 7 or 8 off that one. So you're talking 14, 15 plants for the price of one. Dahlia cuttings are a real easy way and cheap way to increase the stock of your plants. This one has been already taken one lot of cuttings from. As you can see, got 2 brand new shoots, so I can use them as cuttings again. And that's about it. Say goodbye, Monkey. Goodbye, Paul. If you've got any questions, how would you take Dahlia cuttings, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.